All right, y'all. Today is the day. I finally got to do something about this friend right here. All it is. I've been trying to see if I could do without it, but it's just getting thinner and it don't look good. So I'm scared, but we just gonna see what's gonna happen. So if you want to see if it works out for me, stick around. Stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode on Miss Kinky T's YouTube channel. And if you've seen my intro, we gotta do something about this, y'all. We gotta do something about this. I'm not excited. I'm not excited at all to do this, but I don't. The more I ignore it, the thinner it gets, and I don't even know if this is okay anymore. So I went out and I bought the Aphogee. I've been avoiding it this whole time because I'm pretty sure all my hair breakage in the middle started in the first place because I was just on protein products. I hadn't properly did my research. I didn't know my porosity level, which is low, and I was just popping protein all in my hair all the time, and slowly just kept breaking off. My hair wasn't getting enough moisture, but I think this bad boy needs something. We gotta do something about these ant curls. So we just gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm pretty sure half of y'all are familiar about this. I got the 2-pack because I don't need a big bottle. Like I said, I don't want to do this. So I got the 4-ounce step 1 of the 2-step protein treatment and step 2 of the balancing moisturizer. This came in a 2-pack. Luckily, my hair store had it for $10, so I saved some money because right now, Sally was like all out of this because they went on sale recently and everybody just grabbed the ones out of the store. Okay? So bottle 1 was 4 ounces. Bottle 2, the first 5 ingredients: water, hydrolyzed collagen, citric acid, magnesium sulfate, imidazolid. I don't know, y'all. Just you read it. It won't focus, but whatever. Okay. So then, first 5 ingredients of the balancing moisturizer: water, zirconium chloride, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, mineral oil. And I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all can hear Maggie. She just a whining. I done got home and I left her in the cage. That's like, I gotta do my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out. Now, usually people will shampoo, they'll put the 2-step protein treatment in their hair and then they'll follow it with the moisturizer. But y'all, if y'all go on the website, it says under, I think it was like common emergencies, it says that if you're trying to use it for curl restoration, they want you to start off with clean, dry hair. Now, problem number 1 is I don't know any black person with clean, dry hair. If our hair is dry, it probably has some type of moisturizer, some type of oil, but I'm gonna follow directions because I'm already scared, okay? So first, I'm gonna use this. I have tons of flakes because I had that detangler in my hair because I wanted these curls, but since I need clean hair, I will shampoo my hair and I'm going to towel dry my hair. There's no way I'm gonna let it air dry all the way to 100%. They just gonna have to deal with it, or I'm gonna have to deal with it. I don't know. And then I'm going to actually put this in a spray bottle because this is very liquidy. And what I've gathered from others is this can get very messy. So I'm gonna put it in a spray bottle. I'm gonna spray it all over my head. And I think I'm supposed to leave it in for 10 minutes. Directions next say to just go ahead and let it harden. Once it hardens, I'm going to rinse it out. And then I'm going to put in the balancing moisturizer. It says 3 minutes. We'll see if I leave it longer. I mean, it takes me more than 3 minutes to put it in my hair, but we're just gonna see how this goes. I'm freaking out because I don't like protein like that, but we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, guys, I am back. I have shampooed my hair. For those who care, I use Trader Joe's Tea Tree shampoo. My scalp has been itching lately, so I basically just wanted to strip any buildup off my hair. So I use that instead. So the instructions for curl restoration: I towel dried because that's the driest we gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this in my hair, and it says to scrunch. For curl restoration, actually doesn't want you to comb it through. It just simply wants you to scrunch. I'm gonna close my eyes because I don't want this in my eyes. and it said complete coverage. So try getting, whoo, got a smell. Got all in my nose. All right, so it's foamy. Get a little under here. Let's do this. Make sure everything sticking out. Everything's covered. And then it says scrunch. So I'm going to scrunch. I'm going to scrunch. Okay. To the next section. Work fairly fast because I don't want this protein in too long, even though I do need to wait until it hardens. Ouch. Okay, get the prep. And see mixed up the back. Oops. That's my face. That's my face. Careful when using the spray bottle. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face off. Whew. Okay, I'm back. So I think I'm gonna stop here. Now a lot of people use the hooded dryers to dry this until it hardens. I don't have like a real hooded dryer. I have the little blow up one you connect to your hair dryer. So I'm going to use that. And then I am going to come back once this hardens. Oh, praying for my hair, praying for my hair. All right, see you when I get back. Hello. I look hilarious. Hilarious. My hair is super hard. And because I'm already scared of the protein, once I feel any hardness, I'm done. I'm about to go rinse this out. So the instruction says rinse this out gently. Let the water run through first, then gently rinse it out, and then gently rinse it out again, and then rinse it with cool water. So warm water, cool water. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and then I'm going to put the balancing moisturizer in there. And I'm supposed to leave that in for 3 minutes, but I'm scared. I feel like all my hair is about to fall out in the sink. So I see y'all when I get back. All right, so I about used the whole bottle of conditioner because, again, I'm still scared. So it still says to scrunch this through per the curl restoration directions. So just doing what it told me. Honestly, I don't see too much restoration going on with that damaged area. So might be just a lost cause. But my hair might have needed this anyway, so just the scrunching. I'm mad because all the scrunching has pretty much retangled my hair. So now I feel like I have tons of knots, because when I started, I did have my hair detangled. And now, like those little things right there. I feel like I'm dealing with it. So let's just leave this in for 3 minutes. See if there's heat. My hands, unfortunately, have ruined the. My hair is so tangled, y'all. I'm not even scared for my hair anymore, and I'm just scared for all the dang knots that's in it. That's why I don't scrunch my hair. This is why. Lord have mercy. All right, let's leave this in for 3 minutes. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. To be honest, my hair doesn't really feel that much stronger, which makes me more scared again. I think I'm going to rinse this out after the 3 minutes and then use another moisturizer just in case I did a protein overload on my hair, because I'm not a professional. And if all my hair falls out, I'm going to be sad that I didn't just go to a professional. But, so far, I am not appealed. Not appealed at all. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Y'all, I am back. I rinsed the conditioner out. As of right now, I'm not happy with the results. Fail. So like I said before, obviously cutting is the only solution. My hair did feel stronger at some point, but now it's like, if anything, it's probably kind of elastic. I don't know if I left the moisturizer in too long, but yeah, I feel like this didn't really do anything for me. I'm afraid it's a hot mess, and it's left me plenty of knots. So now I'm gonna have to go in and get all these wonderful knots right here. Scrunching's not my friend. I'm never doing it again. Never. Because now I need time to go in and take out all my knots. So thank you guys for joining me for this fail. Maybe next time. We'll see what happens next time I style my hair, if this really made a difference when it comes to my curls, but right now it has not. So I will catch you guys next time. Till then, have a blessed weekend. Bye.